Hi, hello, my dear competitive aspirants. This is Venkanna. Welcome to VHL Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about surveying. This is the one of the most important subject for all the civil engineering competitive examination point of view. Right, so in this civil engineering point of view, building materials and reinforced concrete structures, so solid mechanics, that is the strength of materials. So these are the most important subject. Along with this important subject, also one of the important subject is surveying. If you see any competitive examination, that is SSC JE and APPSC AE AW and TSPSC AE AW and remaining PSUs. Alright, so if you see the recently conduct that examination, that is DFCCL, right? So in that DFCCL examination, so most of the questions comes from this surveying subject only, right? So the most of the questions came from this surveying subject after the building materials and reinforced concrete structures. Right, so surveying, what is the surveying? It is the art of determining relative positions of a point, relative position of points above the earth and below the earth. It is measured, direct or indirect measurement, right? So what is the surveying? It is the art of determining relative positions of points on, above or beneath the surface of the earth by means of direct or indirect measurements of directions and distance and elevations. So this is the surveying. It also includes the predetermining angular and linear measurements. It includes the predetermination of linear measurement and angular measurement, right? So what is the linear measurement, what is the angular measurement? So we will discuss right now one by one, right? So what is the surveying? Surveying is the art of determining determining relative positions of points on above or beneath the surface of the earth by means of linear or by means of direct or indirect, that is better, by means of direct or indirect measurement. Direct or indirect measurements of distance and directions, directions and elevations. Alright, so this is called as the surveying. Right, so what is meant by surveying? Surveying is the art of determining the relative positions of points on the earth, above the earth or beneath the earth by means of direct and indirect measurements of distance, directions and elevations. Right, so on the earth surface or above the earth surface or below the earth surface. If you take any measurement that is above the earth surface or below the earth surface by means of direct or indirect measurement, that means by using the measuring instrument, right, or by using the chain or tape, or indirect measurement also, right, that is direct measurement or indirect measurement. By means of direct or indirect measurement of distance, directions and elevation. Right, so distance, how we measure the distance? Distance are measured in only one direction, right, that is the linear measurement. Distance are measurement as a linear measurement. If you take the chain, by using the chain we measure only the one direction, right, that is one side linear measurement, and one more side another measurement. That means one dimensional measurement, right, one dimensional measurement. For example, if you measure the distance, distance is a one directional measurement. One dimensional measurement is the distance. By using the chain, by using the tape, by using the theodolite, by using total station, like that. So if you use the theodolite and the total station and chain, or by using the tape, we measure the distance. Distance is the one dimensional measurement. And directions, by using the, for example, compass, we measure the directions, right, by using compass we measure the directions. And elevations, by using the dumpy level, auto level or tilting level, by using the leveling instrument we measure the elevation, that is the height, right, elevation. By using the dumpy level, auto level, that is the leveling instrument, we measure the elevation of the ground or elevation of any type of object. This is called as the surveying. And also it includes the predeterminate linear and angular measurements. Alright, so predeterminate the linear and angular measurements, right. So this is a small definition about the surveying and a small discussion about the surveying. Right, so this is one of the important subject for a various competitive examination in a civil engineering point of view. If you write any examination, that is AE, AW, SSCJE or other PSUs, so it is the one of the most important subject, right.